Hello, welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals to the dealership, whether it's brand new or used. Also, hit the like button, maybe throw a comment down there if you'd like. If you want to see over 50 still pictures of the specific truck or any other vehicle in stock, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival to the dealership. It is a 2020 Ram 1500 Delmonico Red crew cab, four-wheel drive, limited truck. Guys, this truck has it all. If you're looking for a completely loaded truck with all the new bells and whistles out on the market, this truck is the one for you. As you can see on the front, you're going to have the real nice chrome bumper with the Ram logo in the center, automatic lighting on the side, and then down towards the bottom, you're going to notice the little circles. That is for your front collision. So when you are parking into one of them tight spots down on the main road, you can get close, and the sensors will notify you when you're getting a little too close and about to hit the vehicle in front of you. Real nice factory Ram, two-tone, 22-inch rim, wrapped in a Goodyear Eagle tire. Very nice combo right there, guys. And like I said, it is the half-ton. This vehicle does have the 5.7-liter Hemi motor in it. Power running boards, as you can see there. Super nice feature. This particular truck does have the spray-in bed liner built in right to the bed. It also is going to have your rear for your bed lighting, your LED lighting in the rear, which is a super nice feature. Spray-in bed liner, factory. You're also going to notice you're going to have your backup camera located right there in the tailgate by the handle. And also you're going to have your dual exhaust with your rear backup sensors located on right above the dual exhaust on each side, with your nice trailer hitch and your 4-pin, 7-pin wiring hookups located right there. Guys, with this Hemi motor, you're going to get in the mid-20s as far as fuel economy, so you're going to get great fuel economy with all the power needed to pull this, to pull anything you may want to pull with this half-ton truck. Like I said, guys, this is a limited edition, so it's going to have all the bells and whistles in it, especially on the inside, which we'll get in there and show you. On this particular unit, it does have power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seating for 2 located right here, so you can program your seats to your specific preference up to 2 different settings. This particular vehicle also does have a power seat with a 4-way lumbar, power foot pedals located right here, automatic overhead headlighting like I said outside, and a bunch of cool features inside. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have all your buttons that are going to control your center cluster, which is located right here in the center of the dash. It's going to show you a magnitude of different options, whether it's fuel economy, how fast you are going, tire pressure, monitoring your range till empty, and a bunch of other cool features. Also built into this left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have all your buttons for your hands-free, so you can program your phone directly into the vehicle, answer your phone through hitting this button right through your speaker system. You have your conversation. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you have all your cruise control settings located right here, and then your adaptive cruise settings located right here. You literally set the miles per hour that you're looking to go, and you literally take your foot off the brake and the gas, and the vehicle will literally speed up and slow down as the car in front of you gets closer. Super nice feature. Push button 4-wheel drive auto, 2-wheel drive for high and for low. It also has a start-stop feature, so this vehicle, when you pull up to a stop sign, put your foot on the brake, it will actually turn off. All the functions inside the vehicle will work as normal. As soon as you let your foot off your brake, it will automatically engage the motor, and you'll be off going at that point. 12-inch split screen radio, as you can see here. So it's a 12-inch screen. It has two different things up right now. I have the radio up top, the navigation down below. You can also just make it one universal thing. So there's a bunch of stuff you can do with this radio. It is an AM, FM, XM radio. You do get a free subscription from the manufacturer. It also comes with heated seats with 3 settings, high, medium, low, vented seats with 3 settings, high, medium, and low, and a heated steering wheel. Now the heated and ventilated seats are on the front 2 passengers, and then the heated seat is naturally on your driver's side. Backup camera like we showed you earlier, super nice feature. You can deploy your steps from in here if you need be for some reason. There's a bunch of different options that you can choose from working inside of this radio. It does have dual climate controls on this specific unit, so you can set your driver and your passenger to 2 separate temperatures, and it'll blow out the proper temperature on each side of the truck. There also is an auto feature where you can set your temperature, hit the auto button, and it'll keep that specific temperature in that zone by increasing or decreasing the speed and temperature of the airflow coming out of the vents. There's a magnitude of different apps built into this, a bunch of cool stuff, wireless hotspot, travel links, which is really cool. There's a bunch of features in travels links. It shows you what your fuel prices is while you're going down the road, current sporting events, what games are being played, what games have already are over, final scores, upcoming games. It'll show weather, it'll show radar map around you or nationwide. Sirius XM traffic will keep you updated on all the traffic events that are going on while driving down the road. Super nice feature. Factory navigation like I showed you a little bit ago, and you can pair your phone, as I told you earlier, right into this radio. And their backup camera, another spot for that. Super nice feature. You can also access all your climate control buttons right here on the side of the radio too. So there's 2 separate ways you can do that. This vehicle is also equipped with I have my cell phone on here right now, a power charging port. You simply put your phone in there like mine, and as you can see, the green light's on this one, so my phone is fully charged. Really nice feature. You're also going to have all your USB plugs, your auxiliary plugs right there. You have an AC plug built into this huge compartment down here below, which is another nice feature, and it does shut for more storage up here on top. Also going to have your armrest. Under your armrest, you're going to have a USB plug with a small console in there, and then a bigger one underneath. This vehicle has a power sunroof. As you can see here, and it is a large power sunroof that goes the whole length of the vehicle. Super nice, super cool feature. This vehicle is also equipped with universal garage door openers, where you can program your garage door openers directly into the vehicle, so you no longer have to worry about having the garage doors in your remotes in your car. You can simply do that from right there, program right in, no longer have to carry them. Plenty of back seat storage on the floor, as you can see here, and these seats lift up for storage underneath those compartments there. You also have end-to-end floor storage for beverage coolers, or if you just like to get stuff out of the way, that's an option too. These particular seats do have child safety hooks located right here, where you can hook your car seats back in. And I opened the window earlier and forgot to mention, it does have a rear power sliding window in between the rear seats, and this back glass is also defrost. So it has all the defrost sensors in it. Like I said, guys, this vehicle is a 2020 completely loaded Ram 1500 crew cab, 5.7 liter Hemi motor, all the power capability you're going to need it for pulling. It's also going to have your 22-inch factory Ram wheels, power footsteps, navigation, 12-inch touchscreen radio, huge sunroof, all the bells and whistles, adaptive cruise control, which is a great safety feature. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. And if you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of all of our new current inventory as soon as it hits the lot. If you want to see all the still pictures of this or a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.